What if I told you that a simple habit, something you probably left behind in childhood, could actually add years to your life, strengthen your heart, and make you feel 20 years younger? Yes, I'm talking about cycling. But wait, if you are over 50, this video is not just information. It's a warning, because the thing you are not doing is slowly destroying your health. And today, we're going to reveal that hidden truth. After 50, your body starts to change. Quietly, slowly, your muscles begin to weaken. Your heart loses strength. Your weight starts increasing. And the most dangerous, your brain starts slowing down. And do you know the biggest mistake people make? They think, now it's time to rest. But the truth is the opposite. If you stop moving after 50, your body starts giving up on you. Let me tell you a story. Johann, a 55-year-old man, just an ordinary life. Office, home, TV, that was it. Then one day, his doctor told him, your heart is getting weaker. If you don't change something, you may face serious problems. He was scared, but going to the gym, too hard. Running? Impossible. Then one day, he saw his old bicycle, and that's where everything changed. Day 1, just 5 minutes, then 10, then 20. After 3 months, he lost weight. His heart became stronger. His sleep improved. And most importantly, he felt happy again. Now let's talk about the truth. What does science say? 1. Heart health. Cycling helps. Control blood pressure. Strengthen blood vessels. Reduce the risk of heart attacks. 2. Keeps your brain young. Yes, cycling doesn't just help your body. It protects your mind, improves memory, reduces depression, boosts mental sharpness. 3. Stronger muscles. After 50, muscle loss becomes a serious problem. But cycling strengthens your legs, keeps your body active. 4. Weight control. If you want to lose weight, cycling is one of the best ways. Without putting stress on your joints, you burn calories effectively. 5. Mental peace. The most underrated benefit. When you cycle, stress goes down. Anxiety fades away. You start feeling alive again. Do you want to hear the truth? You still have time, but not forever. Every single day you spend without movement is silently taking something away from your life. Do you want to play with your children, laugh with your grandchildren, or spend your life lying in bed? The choice is yours. If you want to start, here's how. Step 1. Start with 5 to 10 minutes daily. Step 2. Keep a comfortable pace. Step 3. Do it. Force arrow 5 days a week. Step 4. Combine with light exercise. Step 5. Consistency is everything. Remember, this is not just a bicycle. It's an opportunity to live again, to regain your health, to become a better version of yourself. So today, make a decision. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, take out your old bicycle or buy a new one and change your life. Because after 50, life doesn't end. In fact, that's where the real life begins. Listen, your body is speaking to you every single day. The question is, are you listening or ignoring it? You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need expensive equipment. All you need Start today, because 5 years from now, you'll either thank yourself or regret the time you wasted. If you're ready to choose health, to choose life, like this video, subscribe to Vital Path, and comment below, "I choose health," because this is your turning point.